All right, guys, so what I want to do is tie all this together to show you how you can actually add a ton of value. Not only just that with your customers that you have now or new customers in the future using the DashClicks dashboard, but also how you can use the DashClicks dashboard to do a whole bunch of different things. I'll kind of go over them, including how you can easily upsell current customers into higher packages or bundling. So I'm going to show you just kind of a quick little rundown of exactly what I mean. So just bear with me. We'll go through all this together. And but when this video is done, I'm telling you, you're going to be like, what? This is here and it's free? Yep, that's true. So let's just get started with one thing at a time. First, what I want to do is show you what we're looking at. This is your DashClicks dashboard. Now, what I want you to keep in mind is this is totally white labeled. So if you go up to your little face up here in the corner and go to settings, you can see that under the branding tab on the left over here. Well, actually, to be honest, to be more clear, there's business profile and branding. So you can fill out this information to fit your company information. So make sure you have all your social medias, your street address, your company name. You could even do, now we'll go to branding actually. Now branding is you can add your photos, your favicon, company logo, so it says my company now, it's just a demo account. You could put your logo and it would be branded to your business, company colors. Pro tip, you do have to upgrade to the $97 per month plan, but you can add a custom domain. So instead of saying like yourcompany.dashclicks.com for your dashboard, you could have it say, you can upgrade to the $97 per month plan and get a custom domain. So it's like yourcompany.com, like app.yourcompany.com. So you can have a custom domain. Okay, so check that out. So you can totally brand this, but let's move forward. So this dashboard gives you everything you need. Actually, let's go back home. To run and scale your agency from SaaS software solutions all the way to white labeled. So let's just start with the SaaS software solutions. Go to your app drawer, which is this little square box up here. And let's just quickly go through these just so you have an idea. And I'll let you go in here and explore. And by the way, you can schedule an appointment by clicking this little question mark and schedule a demo. And they'll show you how to do all this stuff too. Okay, but I just want to briefly show you. So let's go with contacts. So here you can manage all your leads, all your contacts of your clients and stuff. My internet's super slow, so just bear with me. Okay, so here's all my contacts. It's your library. That's what contacts is. Pretty straightforward. I'm going to do this one actually, Insta Sites. Now, as an agency owner, you need value to give when you're prospecting or you're trying to get clients, you're trying to do sales. So this is called Insta Sites. We have 223 templates across many different industries, as you can see right here. It will allow you to enter a company's info and it will inject that info into a pre-built, fully functional website within seconds. You can take that link, you can share it with clients. I mean, it's super cool. It works as a website. We have a really great strategy with this where you can offer them a free website to get them in as a client. So check that out. But just for the sake of this training, this is what Insta Sites is. Let's move on. The same thing as Insta Sites, except in report forms. We call it Insta Reports, which is this app. We have a ton of more reports coming soon, but right now we just have a digital overview. So it'll pull information about a company, and it'll do like a whole digital performance overview presence of that company online. This is a prospecting tool too as well. So go ahead and jump in there and explore that as well. We have a Sites app. So one of the best assets you can have as an agency owner is an agency website. So instead of spending thousands of dollars to build your own website, like hiring an expensive developer or trying to figure out on your own, you can jump into our Sites app and actually purchase. I already have mine here, but you can purchase one of 12. You'll have a different view. One of 12 templated websites that are fully customizable. So you can jump inside and make your own account and stuff like that. So that's Sites. Templates is just a library where you can house your email and text message templates because you can send communication through this platform. Let's keep moving forward. Let's go to Deals. So if you're used to a CRM, like managing deals or that sort of thing, we have a sales structure. That's what Deals is. So you have your own sales pipeline. You can manage it. You can click in. You can see all the deals you have open. So I hope you're starting to see like this platform has all the software you need to run a fully scalable and a successful marketing agency. And what this actually eliminates is you having to have 5 different websites that are different softwares that you're paying for 5 different things. Let's keep moving forward. There's inbound. So if you're running outside campaigns for your agency, like Facebook ads or using ClickFunnels, you can connect inbound to those campaigns, and it will funnel in the leads you generate. Analytics. Analytics is for your company, your agency. So you hook your website up. If you're running Facebook ads, it shows you the Facebook ads you are running for your agency. All this stuff here is tied to your agency. So this is like your business, online business analytics. So you can play around and see all the cool stuff in there. There's 2 left, and then we'll jump into fulfillment store. And again, I'm showing you this because I want you to kind of get an idea. And then I want to also tie it in to let you know that most of these apps, your customers are going to get to when they get access to your dashboard. So this is the ton of value they'll get. Why would someone want to leave your company if they get results, if they get all this great stuff, great onboarding, great customer journey, and they get a super interactive dashboard that manages everything for them, right? So that's kind of the gist of this and what I want to show you. So this is forms. You can actually create forms. You can create applications, bookings, contacts, questionnaires, applications. It's a click and drag editor, but this is where you can build and house all your forms. And you can embed those forms into websites, and it inserts the leads into the system as well. But you can embed this form in websites. It actually has a link, so you could send it. Someone can click the link and fill out a form if you want them to do that too. The final app is projects. So you get a client. You're going to use this dashboard to not just manage your business, but manage your clients. This is your projects app, and this is where you're going to manage all your clients. So all my clients are listed on the left here. And if I just click into Glover, you'll see I'm running Facebook ads and Google ads for them, or I'm running Facebook ads. So you can see it shows me all the results that we're doing for them. So now this prevents me from having to log into Facebook and trying to find the campaign and stuff like that. I can just go client to client right here. Okay, now let's move. That's all the apps we have. Let's move into fulfillment store. So you're managing your business. You get your first client. Now you need to actually fulfill the service and onboard them as well. So any of these services that we provide here, when you buy it, it'll automatically send onboarding documents out to your client. So you don't have to even worry about onboarding. It's totally automated. It'll then, once it's completed, it'll be sent directly to our DashClicks white label fulfillment team. They will start building, and you will actually get a Slack channel with your team that you can chat with. They'll really become an extension of you, okay? So you can see how this is really covering a lot of the things we talked about with adding value to your customers. A smooth onboarding process, expert team, white label team that can actually get results. You can actually chat with them. And a slew of different, I think that's the right word, a slew of different marketing services you can provide to your clients. So not just one thing, and you don't have to do the work now, so it's scalable. We have social media posts. There's 4 different packages. You can click into any of them and just see, like, there's highlights, there's information, there's gallery, there's FAQs, there's verified reviews. SEO is a bit more extensive, but all these services have 4 packages. So you can bundle these. You can, like I mentioned in the training, you can bundle, you can add discounts. You know exactly what your cost is of each service. So you add your upcharge to the cost, and then you can start bundling things. Like for listings right here, it's $39 a month. You could totally add that into like an SEO premium package or something like that. Anyways, click on any of the SEO plans. Same thing. You'll see the information of the service it provides, the cost, case studies, use cases, FAQs, verified results. So this is where it kind of ties in all together with trying to get customers and maintain them and keep adding value and then upselling them. So to give you an idea, you have a client you're running Google Ads Pro with. Okay, it costs you $199 a month. There's a one-time startup fee, but let's just say you're charging $500 for this. So you're making $300 off this, $300 a month. Because your upcharge minus the cost of DashClicks is your profit. So if you're charging $500, cost of Google Ads is $200, let's say, round up, then you're making $300 off per month. And that's for an ad spend between $500 and $2,000 per month. Let's say you have your clients, you're getting results, and you're like, I'm going to actually upsell them, right? Which is one of the methods we use. So I'm going to say, hey, let's actually get your ad spend to the Plus plan, which is between $2,000 and $4,000. So now let's actually charge $600 for this. Okay, so all you have to do is just upgrade. That simple. Okay, you don't have to worry about anything else. So that's where I wanted to tie this together and show you how easy it is to upsell, bundle. You can play around with these pricing. You can add your upcharge to it. It's really, really simple. And the cool thing is your clients will have access to this. Now, to show you what your clients will get, let's move up to the top right. Click on your face. We'll go to sub accounts. I want you to think of your clients as sub accounts in the dashboard. Okay. So here are the apps your clients are going to get. Okay, they're not going to get Insta Sites, they're not going to get Insta Reports, they won't get the fulfillment store, and they won't get projects because they don't have to manage clients that you do, because the projects is connected to the DashClicks fulfillment team. So you don't want them to see that. You don't want them to use Insta Sites or Insta Reports, because those are agency prospecting tools designed for you, not for the clients you're going to serve. And the only difference with Sites, this app, is instead of having an option to choose one of the agency websites that you can just purchase for you as an agency owner, it's just going to have a prompt that says, hey, do you want us to build a website for you? Click and contact your account manager. Now, just beyond this too, to add more value with upselling and keeping your clients on, or raising prices, or giving more value, or just giving a tool that gets more revenue out of clients that you currently have. So you have the same options as an agency owner. Okay. As your master account, you're using this, you're using all the prospecting tools, the fulfillment store. Oh, and they won't see the fulfillment store, by the way. You're using all this stuff as an agency owner tool. When you give a sub account to a client, they don't need some of those things. Plus, you don't want them to see like the fulfillment store, your prospecting tools, and that sort of thing. But this is the same pricing agency owners use and your clients will use. So just like you can sign up for free. Okay, you get all these things. And if your clients decide to upgrade to the $97 plan because they want to use the dashboard and put like a custom domain, or they want some of those features or something like that, they could upgrade automatically. And if you set up your payments through the Stripe dashboard, we will pay you. You will earn an extra $70 per month from that client that upgrades to a pro plan. And you can see how that goes up incrementally for each plan. So if your client, or you upsell a client for the $297 plan of their dashboard, DashClicks will directly pay you out through payments $200 per month. And then you can see the $597 is $400 per month. So I hope this ties everything together. I might say the same thing a lot, but I want you just to I want to really dig this in to show you the potential, not only practicality of using this dashboard to have all your software needs covered, but also how you can actually have a fully white labeled marketing team that you can bundle services, know the exact cost, know that it's going to get fulfilled, has a really reliable onboarding system, and smooth. You can give value to your customers by having them sign up for a free sub account, which is their reporting dashboard. They also get all these apps they can use. And if they decide to upgrade to a Pro, Plus, or Premium plan, DashClicks pays you out automatically, so you don't have to worry about payments. You don't have to worry about really anything. We'll just pay you out directly. So this is your DashClicks dashboard. This is the power that you have at your fingertips when you're building an agency to get like your first client, and then how you take the lifetime value of your clients you currently have, whether that's 4 or 400 or 4,000, and adding more value to get them to spend more with you. Using this dashboard, I hope you can see the potential. There's so many tools that not only you get to use, but your customers get to use. And so over time, they're going to be able to just be super happy they made the right decision going with you. You're always adding value. And like I mentioned before, the upgrades DashClicks puts out, you get. And the upgrades we put out that you get, your clients get. So we're always adding new value. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this. If you haven't already done so, sign up for your DashClicks account. It's free. Look at right here. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. And I'll see you guys in the next video.